I'm Joshua Skirtich, an industrial designer living in New York City. Recently, I renovated my 88 square foot bedroom, and I'm going to be showing you around today. I wanted to create a space that allowed me to work comfortably, live comfortably, and hold all of the things that I've collected over the years. The room is 88 square feet, and I have about 150 books and maybe 200 unique objects that I've collected and built. I run an industrial design practice out of this bedroom. I do a lot of prototyping, so I have 2 3D printers, I have different saws, I have clays, I have different things to sculpt with, and I decided to put all of my tools on a pegboard right next to my desk. I also didn't want to have a small pegboard on the wall because I do like to continue surfaces extending across an entire space, similarly to the desk stretching from one wall to the other. I was lucky enough to distill my wardrobe down to just a few items. Then I decided that I could put them on the ceiling with a pulley system and just pull the clothes down when I need them. It's a pretty unique solution to a problem that not many people have. People often ask me, like, is this a good solution? Is this a good wardrobe? And I think it's not a good wardrobe if you have 500 square feet, but I think if you have 88 square feet to work with, it's a very good solution. It's fun to be open to insane ideas and actually run with them. I was just fooling around with a Bop It and thought it would be really funny if I turned it into my doorknob. It was one of those ideas that I didn't just think about and then throw into the notes. I just very quickly jumped into making it happen, and I'm pretty happy that I did because it's very absurd and people love it. I feel that it's good to walk into the room and you're greeted with this blank wall before you turn around and see the chaos that is this pegboard. My friend Devin Reyna gave me a painting of his, and it seems obvious that I would put it on that wall, but I really wanted to keep that wall empty. And I put the painting on the ceiling. So I have some binoculars that I use to lay in bed and look up at the painting. I believe that design should be improving upon something. It should be solving a problem. I've been doing this for a year, and I love it.